I'll just ride out here, don't worry.
Oh, right, my bad.
Go! Moving through! I want that tree gone now!
Agent Sterling, exit the premises now!
What are you doing? Get in the car!
Holy...
Wilfred, let's go!
Activate auto drive.
Auto drive engaged.
Sterling private jet hangar. See that, Walter? You can bird me, but you can't stop me.
He was behind us. Ugh, buckle up and get me everything we can on that Beckett kid.
You think they're working together?
Sterling works alone. He's using him for something.
But can you rock it like rocket fuel?
What you talking about? Spacer out your mind.
But can you rock it like rocket fuel?
You brought the ladybird?
She's my emotional support animal.
You gonna need a life support animal if that bird poop in my... We got company.
We've got units blocking every street, overpass, and exit within a 5-mile radius.
Perfect. Time for a cattle drive.
Saddle up!
Evasive maneuvers activated.
I don't have time for this. Activate weapons.
What? Activating weapons.
Relax. I'm just gonna take out our tires.
Oh, that's really bad.
Oh, I dare you.
Deactivating weapons.
No, we're the good guys. We can't shoot the other good guys.
Yeah, you're right, Walter. Let's just pull over and talk it out.
Exactly. Can we?
Activate weapons.
Activating weapons.
Deactivate weapons.
Deactivating weapons.
How about something non-lethal like oil slick?
Activate weapons.
Deactivate weapons.
Don't listen to Walter. Activate weapons.
Oil slick.
Activate weapons.
Oil slick. Oil slick.
This man tripping.
Deactivate. System shut down. Goodbye.
Oh, what did you do?
He's like a god of the asphalt.
We'll see about that.
All right, I got this.
We're gonna die. Watch out!
We should be coming up on him any second. This ends now. Is everyone in position?
Affirmative. In position. Walter, get that computer back online.
System's coming back online.
Defensive applications online.
Oil slick?
Fine, whatever, just press it. Wait,
We're driving backwards.
Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you.
That was tight.
Yep, it's official. I'm a fan.
Did anyone else see a pigeon in that car?
You know how you can tell when you're the world's greatest spy?
Lance Sterling!
Everyone knows the name.
Lance, this is your next objective. None of our agents can get close to him.
Boom!
I have something that can help. It's called biodynamic concealment. Imagine if I can make you disappear.
What's happening to my hand?
Look at me.
I can't not look at you. I can see my butt and your face at the same time.
I got this.
Did anyone else see a pigeon?
I do not need your help.
Can you push 20 for me, please?
I thought you didn't need any help.
I don't.
Feels like helping.
Nope.
We have different skill sets. That's what makes us such a great team.
Boy, don't you throw me off this road!
He'll figure it out.
What's in there with you?